Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Motorola Moto G13. And to do this you'll need to open the settings. Now move on to the system, enter the gestures, and here we can see them all. Let's check how they work. First one is double press power key to either launch assistant or open a camera. I'm gonna go with assistant and try to press it. As you can see, it works fine. Next we have system navigation. In here you can pick the gesture navigations or 3-button navigations, and it changes like that. So if you choose 3 buttons, you will see the 3 buttons at the bottom of your phone and you'll be able to navigate your phone with it. If you choose gesture navigations, you'll be able to navigate your phone by drawing different gestures on your screen. Next up is a press and hold power button to enable Google Assistant, and here also you can adjust the press and hold duration for this action. Next up, power touch, and if you double tap on the power key you can use a quick shortcut. And let me tell you how different it is from the double press power key. So double press means pressing and power touch means tapping, so you don't need to actually click on the button, you simply touch it. And now let's try to go for the settings in that app and double tap for a shortcut. Now pick different shortcut to open. In this case we're gonna go for calculator. And now let's try if this feature works. So we need to double touch. For some reason it doesn't work. Let's enter it. Okay, it works fine then. So here we have the calculator and any other shortcuts that we've added. Next is 3-finger screenshot. If you enter it, you'll be able to take a screenshot by holding 3 fingers onto the screen like that. As you can see, we just made a screenshot. Next is a quick capture. Twist your wrist twice quickly to open the camera anytime. And you can also choose which type of camera it opens, rear camera or selfie camera. I'm gonna go for rear camera. Now let's try to open it this way. As you can see, it works as it should. Last one is a fast flashlight, and now if you perform 2 karate chops or handshakes with your phone, it should enable the flashlight. Make sure that it's on, and let's try it. It's a bit tricky as always. But each time it actually functions, it should vibrate your phone and enable the flashlight. I'm gonna skip showing you this option as it doesn't work properly, if I say so. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.